trying to swim, but the ship is sinking.